Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story frames not showing. New feature: when you want to upload your story, you get it like in this type of format, so you don't have to scroll anymore. You have everything here. So basically, to do that, you have to go to your settings. So settings, then go to general. From general, go to iPhone storage, and then you need to find Instagram. From there, you want to click on offload app, and that basically deletes the storage, but you'll keep its documents and data. And once it's done, you just click on reinstall app, and it's going to reinstall the app again. And of course, another way to to fix it, is to go to the App Store, go to search, and just type in Instagram. And let's find Instagram. As you can see, it says open on mine, but if you were to have it like on update, make sure that it's updated and that you can get this new feature. If it's still not working for you, you can always contact customer support from Instagram and they will help you out. That's it. If this video helped you out, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month.